In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize titles, sections, headers, and text on your Weebly site. Whether you're just getting started with your first website or looking to improve an existing one, these steps will provide you with the foundational skills you need. To begin with your Weebly site editor, you'll want to navigate to the Build section, which you can easily find at the top of the interface. Clicking on Build will reveal a comprehensive list of elements that you can add to your site. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a variety of common website components, such as titles, sections, headers, and text, right at your fingertips. Now, adding these elements to your website is as simple as dragging and dropping them wherever you desire. Just click on the element you want to use, drag it to your desired location on the page, and release. It's that straightforward. Once you've placed an element, you've done the initial setup. But, of course, the real fun lies in personalizing these elements to fit the style and tone of your website. To edit the content and formatting, just click on the element you've added. This action will bring up options for you to change the text, adjust the fonts, modify the sizes, and even tweak the alignment. You have the creativity to make each element stand out as uniquely as your brand. If you're looking for a more cohesive look across your entire site, and wish to update all similar elements in one go, you'll find it beneficial to edit multiple designs at once. Head to the Theme section at the top. After clicking here, you'll notice an option labeled Change Fonts. Selecting this will categorize all of your elements, making it much easier to manage and modify them in bulk. Exploring these categories allows for efficient updates. Simply click on a category, and you'll have the option to customize the design and theme for every element within that chosen category. This feature is particularly useful if you want to maintain consistent typography and design styles across your site without the hassle of individually adjusting each component. With just a few clicks, you can ensure that all parts of your website are harmonious in their appearance, offering a seamless browsing experience for your visitors. There you have it. You've learned how to navigate the Weebly site editor, drag and drop key components, personalize each element, and apply cohesive theme-wide changes. With these skills in hand, you're now well equipped to start building and refining your website to make it both stunning and functional. Thanks for tuning in, and happy website building.